Hey, TikTok Army. You ever do something that you were really excited about and then you don't regret it, but you just feel like your moral values have changed, that you're doing something that you said you'd never do? I'm asking you this question because I get approached by companies probably twice a week asking me to endorse their products. And I've always been one of those people that have been like, hey, I just don't want to say link in my bio anymore. I just don't want to be an Amazon affiliate. I just don't want to do it because I've seen these guys, they always go for the most expensive stuff. They're just trying to sell you shit. And they're always like, oh, this will save your life one day. And then you look at it and it's a piece of trash or it's the most expensive one on the market. So I'm kind of in a moral dilemma because I just don't want to be that hypocrite that we all hear about. So here's what I'd like you to do. Tell me in the comments. Let me know what you think. I mean, I will endorse a solid product. I've already started that process. If it's something I believe in, then I'll endorse it. But I need your help. So do me a favor. Let me know in the comments what you think. I appreciate your time. As usual, stay safe. Have a great day. Bye-bye.